Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Altec Lansing TOUGHBOXX Bluetooth speaker. There are features include powerful 70 watts sound output. Enjoy rich, detailed sound that fills any space. This Bluetooth speaker delivers bold bass and crisp clarity, making every playlist come alive whether you're indoors or out. All-day 18-hour battery life. Stay powered through every adventure. These portable Bluetooth speakers keep your music going longer, so you can enjoy endless tunes without worrying about frequent recharging. Rugged IPX5 waterproof design. Built for the elements, the outdoor speaker stands up to splashes, rain, and spills, perfect for poolside, camping, or beach sessions that last all day. Party sync for 100+ speakers. Amplify your experience by linking multiple units together. These wireless speakers with Bluetooth feature lets you create an immersive sound wall for parties or events of any size. Versatile connectivity and LED display. With FM radio, USB-C, USB-A, AUX-in, and mic-in, this portable speaker adapts to your needs. Bluetooth V5.0 ensures seamless pairing and smooth, reliable playback. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.